Hello first year girls, we are going to start with the practical of motility. The name of the practical is hanging drop preparation. So for that practical we require two things. We require cavity slide which is having well in the middle. Okay, so both the type of slide is available in market. Cavity, one cavity slide or two cavity slide. This is the slide which is having two cavities inside. Okay, so here you can see that well like structure is there. Okay, and by touching it you can understand that whether it is well or simple slide. Okay, fine. So by touching it you can come to know that wells are there. Now first of all you have to take the cavity slide and keep it on the one place, and then after you are going to take the bacterial suspension. This is our bacterial suspension which we are going to use for checking the motility. Whether bacteria are motile or non-motile can be confirmed by this practical. Okay. So first of all we will sterilize the necromire properly, allow it to cool down properly, and then after we will take the drop of bacterial culture with the help of necromire. Okay. So first of all we will sterilize it, and by the time we will try to do the next step. Okay, and for doing next step we require grease. This is our grease, and we have to make four different. We have to keep on the four different places of the slide this grease. Okay, drop of the grease is to be kept, or little amount of grease is to be kept. Why? Because now we want to stick our cover slip with the slide. Okay. We want to make the well in which our bacterial culture is in the hanging drop manner. Now allow this necromire to cool properly, and then after from this bacterial culture we are going to take the little amount of bacterial suspension. Now you can see that I am now dipping the necromire inside the tube, taking it out, and now keeping it on the cover slip. Okay, very small gentle drop is to be kept on the cover slip. Fine. Now the second step is you have to take this cavity slide and directly on the cover slip you have to attach it very immediately. Okay, with all the force you have to keep it on this. Now the structure will be like this. You can see that this is our cavity slide, and on the cavity cover slip is already attached. And our bacterial suspension drop is in the hanging position. Okay, so our bacterial drop will be like this, that it is already hanging on the top of the wall. Okay, suppose this is our well and our bacterial suspension will be hanging in this way. Okay, so it is not fallen down in the well, but it is in the hanging manner. So we are able to check the motility of bacterial cells very clearly. Now one very important thing we have to notice here, that within 5 minutes we have to check for this motility. Otherwise bacteria will become non-motile because of the phototaxis mechanism. Okay, so now you can see that in the middle portion bacterial drop is found in the form of illuminating structure. Okay, in the middle you can see. So I will show you where it is. Here this drop is there. Okay, this is our drop, this is our bacterial suspension drop, and this brown color structure is nothing but they are the 4 drops of the grease, and because of this the cover slip is already attached to the slide. Okay, so now our motility preparation is done. Now we are going to see in the microscope. Now let me tell you that how we are going to observe the motility slide in the microscope. Now try to observe this particular figure. Now you have to understand that this is the bacterial suspension drop which we have already mounted in the microscope. Now here you can see that